what that does is, remember, false is equal to 0. So now it becomes damage times speed, which is still 2, plus air times crit. Air time is 0.3. Crit is false, which is 0. So it becomes 0.3 times 0. So we're adding 0. So it's just 2 plus 0, which is 2. So we should have a value of 0 when we print out power again. So now we go back and say print power. Because we changed the value of one of the variables, it still has everything equal to it, but I changed the value of crit. So now we go here, it's equal to 2.3. Let's see. Okay, so let me try print, and I have to set power equal to it again. So power, and I'll just copy and paste. So now power is equal to this again, and it didn't print anything yet. And then we say print power, and then it should return 2.0, which it did. So now we see the new value of crit, which is false, which is 0. So anything multiplied to 0 is 0. So this part basically goes away, and we're left with damage and speed, which is going to be calculated 10 times 0.2 is 2.0, and that's the reason why we got 2.0 instead of 2. And you can see once we said crit was false, we went from a power level of 2.3 to 2. You see how that works? I'm trying to... Okay, and then I'm trying to show you how it works, like the logic of it. Let's say, you see like this is a bunch of numbers and stuff. If you was to play the game of Minecraft, if all of this would actually be based off the actions that you do. So if you jump and you don't get the crit, this actually runs in the background and it shows you in real time. So what you're looking at is this, but what's happening in the background is it's actually running code, and that this is happening, and a bunch of numbers is popping out and stuff, and a bunch of variables are setting themselves equal to each other. So then let's say, now a lot of stuff, because they use